Hey beauties, it's your girl Elcyyy and I'm back at it again with another video. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up, and that's what you normally would want to do just so you can make sure your eyebrows are all going in the same direction. And I'm using the Benefit Goof Proof Eyebrow Pencil, and it is in a number 5. I normally would use the Milani pencil, but I ran out of it, so I decided to start using this one, and I've been feeling it, so I've been keeping up with it. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to follow my natural eyebrow shape, and I'm just going to fill that in. And then towards the top, you're gonna see me go ahead and go a little bit over my arch just to make sure I kind of make my eyebrows a little bit thicker than what they are, because I don't like when my eyebrows look too thin because it looks like a little line to me. So once I go ahead and draw in, as people will say, draw in the shape that I want, I'm just gonna fill that in. And I don't want to ramble too much while you guys are watching this video, so just kind of follow along, and it's pretty self-explanatory. But if you guys have any questions or any comments or anything like that, go ahead and leave them in the comment section, and I'll be glad to answer any questions you like. And for now, this is the technique that I've been using and what works for me. In the future, I do want to try other techniques. I mean, nothing too major, but I'm gonna try different techniques or whatever, and see whatever works best. And like I said, in the future, I'll go ahead and put up other more updated videos for you guys. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back in a little bit just to kind of give you more directions. So just go ahead and watch, and let me know if you have any questions. Alright beauty, so basically I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm going to be following the same directions. I'm going to go along the same lines that I formed when I was shaping my eyebrows, and I'm going to bring down the concealer after I'm done. Just for I'm going to drag it down towards my eye more, so therefore I can blend it out better whenever it's done. So just keep watching and you'll basically see everything that I'm doing. So now once I'm done with the bottom, some people don't like to do the top, but me, because I'm just one of those other people, I like to do the top. So I like to kind of make sure it matches, even though it doesn't look too bad, but I just like to make sure it matches. And I do mess up very often, but still, I still just like to do the top because I feel like it gives me a cleaner look. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be doing the same thing I did from the bottom. I'm just going to be going over the top and making sure everything matches. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out as well. So yeah, so you see I basically did the top and then I did the bottom as well, and I blended it out. Now this eyebrow here, this is like my difficult eyebrow. Like I always have trouble with this one. As you can see, it's being stubborn. But I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. I'm gonna take my pencil again. I'm just gonna go ahead and just recreate that line to make sure it's like pretty much almost the same as the other one. Now just keep in mind, ladies, your eyebrows are not twins. They're sisters, but they're not twins. You know, they're not gonna look exactly like unless God himself came down and, you know, did them for you. But I've seen some, you know, eyebrows that have look identical, but in my case I try to make sure it's at least, you know, somewhat similar. But basically, you know, you're gonna mess up, you know, and it's just all about how you fix it. So that's basically what I did. I messed up a little bit on that side, but I always go back and fix it. And you'll see here how I go ahead and fix it too. Basically, now that I've done blended it out and just made sure everything looks the same on both eyebrows, I'm just gonna go over with my spoolie, as you'll see shortly, and I'm just gonna go over it and make sure my hairs are all going the same way, and then just going over and blending out my concealer a little bit more just to make sure it doesn't look too harsh. So whenever I do get ready to apply my eyeshadow, everything will be all set and ready to go. And this basically concludes my eyebrow tutorial. Like I said, ladies, let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments. I love to hear your feedback, and you'll be seeing the finished look in a couple seconds here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the support, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon, or you guys will see me soon in my next video. Deuces.